Dream magic girl.
Hey there, dreamers. Welcome to my channel where life is a colorful adventure. I am your host, the Dream Exit Girl, and I am here to take you on a journey through my everyday life filled with laughter, love, and a whole lot of tail-wagging fun. Join us as the weather gets better and planning for a second season of camping and exploration begins. This was finally the week we got to pick up our trusty camper Rick. Now, you can join me as I explore beautiful parks and camping spots with my 3 furry companions, each with their own quirky personalities. From heartwarming moments to hilarious misadventures, this channel is all about embracing the magic in the mundane and finding joy in every life experience. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this dreamy adventure together. Let's go! So last week we made it home with Rick from storage, and I wanted to try and get in there and start doing some cleaning, but I had a really busy week at work, and then I ended up in a car accident. So this week's the week that I gotta try and clean it up a little bit. I've got like this weekend off because of the accident, and then my Monday, Tuesday off, and I'm gonna try and aim to be back at work by Wednesday. Okay, so I'm at the Abilities Center, and my client's playing bocce, and I'm just having some fun. I was sitting here playing with Snapchat, doing filters for a bit, made myself a brat doll. Anyway, she's doing pretty good. She's at practice. This girl actually wins awards for bocce. Gotta get her some like business sponsors so she can do more. Good Wednesday afternoon. I was up way early today because even though it's my day off from my regular job, I had a housekeeping job and I got it done. I went and got my nails done because like one of my fingernails was falling right off. Picked up some Chinese food from Rice to Go because it's like my favorite place. I got mango chicken, and I got one for John, and I got a vegetarian one for Chris, and now I gotta take the dogs out for a walk. Busy day off. Alright, today definitely didn't go as planned. You know how I was gonna go for a walk with the dogs? Well, my dad's car, somebody rear-ended me and munched it. So now I think I have like whiplash or a concussion. I got a bad headache, my neck hurts, and the dogs are ripped off for a walk. No walk today. It would hurt too much to put them on a leash. Plus the car's totaled. Come here! Now look what I got! I do hurt, but I'm trying to be a good dog mom. You can get it? You can get it? Going to have to do a lot with my right arm now. Are we getting him in it? That's good. He's being a cutie. Venus, come here. Come on. She's not listening. Come on, girl. Alright, so I'm walking around even though I had a car accident. Indy, you stay here. Come here, Venus. You're beautiful in the butt. Come here. Okay, come on. You're not listening. Hey, Bertie, she's not listening. Where's your frisbee? Hey, where's your frisbee? Go get your frisbee. Come on, Venus. Hey, stop. Leafs are ahead again. It's 2-1 right now. So I'll get back to you and let you know whether they won or not by the end of the game. Good Friday morning. Had the dogs out once. Ran up to the chickens like I usually do after Brutus. Got them back in. I've had a couple of cups of coffee. Did some laundry. And now I gotta get ready. But I thought I'd give you like a weather report for near the end of April. We're getting there. I think it's the 25th. So, yeah. It's above zero. Not bright blue skies, though. It's kind of hazed, clouded over. Brutus just came out to join me, sitting here giving you the weather report. So, anyway, I'm going to go finish getting ready because I have a job interview for that position that I sent the resume in for. So, let's see what happens. Keeping my fingers crossed. I know they're going to ask me all kinds of kooky questions about core competencies. I don't like talking about myself too much. It's hard. So, anyway, I'm going to try and stay calm and just be me. To everyone. I haven't even made it in there yet to clean. But I did get a couple of items. A duvet cover that says Happy Camper on it. And I got a thing coming to cover the back seat and protect it. And what else? I got a projector. I got to go to Staples now. Figure out what the heck cord I need to attach it to my phone so we can project movies when we're camping. Kind of thought it was better than it is. You have to have it plugged in. It's not like chargeable, which is weird. And then you have to plug the phone in, but hopefully it doesn't drain the battery too quick if we use it, and we can use our solar Bluetti box, and have a movie night. Anyway, yeah. I'm going to give the dogs their treat. They've been out twice now. And then I got to go to Staples with the box. See, it's just this little box. And I need a second cord. It has all these things that it does adapt to, but my new iPhone won't connect to it. So I got to figure that out. Anyway, later. Turns out the cords actually cost like 3 times as much as the little box did. So that wasn't really such a good deal when I needed to adapt it, because I actually had to buy 2 cords and it came to like $100 for the cords. So, and I only paid $30 for the projector. Yeah, you live and learn. But now I have them, so I'm going to test it. Good Saturday morning. So, I thought I was going to be able to do like easier light duties at work, but they didn't have a spot for me, so it looks like I have the weekend off. Wow. Oh! And I still hurt. I don't know what is wrong, but something's wrong. So, anyway, the dogs are all being quiet, and I'm just going to lay here a little longer, I think. It's like 8:55. I don't know. Maybe I'll make a coffee. I'm going to make a coffee. Try and wake up a little bit. Yeah. I don't know. I do feel out of it still, kind of. I don't know. I'm not taking the pain pills either. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm going to go back to the doctor on Monday, though. and just tell them I feel a little better and try and work. I can't afford to not be working. Nope. And I do feel better than I did when it happened. And the day after hurt a lot. Like, I'm not in constant pain. I'm not taking a painkiller. I only needed a couple to get me through that day. See what happens. And I'm supposed to go for physio now. I will try. I'll be in little kooks, waiting to go outside. Still in my house coat. Trying to clean up a little bit around here. Place is messy. Dog stuff all over the walls. Go do my floors. And of course he's running way the hell out there. The first thing he does. He's in big trouble if he takes off. Like, big trouble. So, I didn't get back to you after the big trouble, he's in big trouble comment. Not out in the backyard anyway. I'm getting back to you now. So since then, I rounded them up. They all went to the washroom. I stuck them in the car. I came in the house, mopped my floors, and just cleaned up a bit more around here. I've been working on the video. And, yeah. I'm about to hop in the shower, and I'm going to take them for a walk. It looks crappy, kind of like overcast and windy, like it may rain. So, I don't know. Maybe Camp 30, maybe somewhere else. We'll see how I feel after the shower, because I'm having trouble with the whole leash thing. My one arm does hurt, and I don't want them yanking on it and making it worse. I need it to heal. So, but also, update. So Bon Echo's coming up May 9th, 10th, and 11th. Exciting. That's only like a few weeks away. I think it works. Yeah, there we go. We're filming. Driving to the park for a second time. Because the first time around, I screwed up and forgot the dog's leashes. Just in case I need them. It's not necessarily that I need them. I may not need the leashes, but what if I do? So, there we go. There we go. I don't know if you can see it in the rear view, but you're being... Oh my god. Okay, I don't see anyone. I hope there's no one at the park. Let him have a run with no leash would be really freaking nice for my arm. I'm begging you. You just gotta stay close. I'm just gonna do you guys like this for now. How good is that? And Venus? Venus? Hey! Oh, there you are. Oh, she's so small, man. Yeah. The meanest one is the little one.
There's a good point there.
Hey, he'll just be friendly.
What?
He'll just be friendly. He might jump on you and dirty your clothes, but that one, his name's Brutus.
Hi,
The tail's going, he's happy. He just likes attention. Hey, good boy. No jumping. No stay down.
Is that friendly growling?
Yeah. That's a Rottweiler trait. Go look on YouTube. Go look on YouTube. They do this.
Yeah,
Even to the like.
They don't protect, but they're like, okay, pet me.
Yeah. Yeah, even to their owner.
Yeah, they don't want you to.
I come home from work, he jumps up, kisses me, then growls in my face. But his tail's wagging.
It's not me, right?
No, he's just saying, you went to work and you know what? That sucks. Okay.
Anyways, hi.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right. There. You gonna be good and stay close now? Come on, buddy. You're killing my arm. Stay close. Stay close. Alright, I made it past that whole thing. Of course, Venus has to go around the pole the wrong way. It's one of those walk days again. I don't know, in spring they just don't listen well, eh? Miles ahead. Not doing as they're told. Venus being silly. There. It's less jumpy when I have it on the further one. The zoom is only really good when you got it on a tripod, I think. Man, what an absolute insane time. All this just so they could get out for a run or two. Windy. Everything's blowing. Dogs are having fun. And this is what the park looks like now that everyone's gone. People keep going the opposite way when they see me coming with the Dobermans and Rottweilers. Oh, there's that guy. Hey, I think he turned around again. This has not been very exciting. I have to hold you guys all on one arm. Right, man. I see Daffy Duck with a Santa hat on. That's kind of cute, actually. I don't know where the guy went with his dog. Maybe he turned around and went the other way again. Oh. There we go. And we're on the final stretch. Going past some of the buildings. Never see ghosts. I know a lot of people say this place is haunted or some kind of demon place, but to be honest, I've definitely never seen any ghosts. Not here, anyway. Kids hanging out. Sometimes vandalizing, sometimes just checking things out. Anyway, they're yanking. I hurt, so I'm gonna sign out. Alright, we're at the last leg Wasn't a very good running walk for them because I'm by myself and I can't let them off. Not a lot anyway. They get to sniff. I feel guilty. There's just too many people coming here all the time now. Because the weather's getting nicer. Yeah. What a day though. At least we got out, eh? I gotta go lay down for a bit. Relax. Alright, we all survived. Yay! The dumb QR code, I can't seem to get my phone to read. Another Leafs game starting. I'm heading out to watch it on TV now. Ugh, I had a little bit of a lay down. But if they win tonight, they beat Ottawa and move on. Okay, the projector's up, but I still gotta get it to talk to my phone. But it's not quite dark enough yet. And Leafs are playing, and the score is, I think, 1 for Ottawa, isn't it? Yes?
What?
1 for Ottawa?
1-0.
Well, yeah, that's what I was.
Skating early in his career. It's crazy as it sounds. Watch the explosion and then watch the finish. There's a good American boy developed for the Phoenix Coyotes in the AAA level, Tri-City Storm in USHL, to the Minnesota Gophers, to possibly the Olympics. He will definitely be on that radar.
So you said he wasn't ready for the national development program, so we had to come.
Are we still tied or are we ahead now?
I give USA credit, USHL.
We're tied.
They've done a good job in developing.
Got my first sweatshirt ordered with my logo on it. Heading north this time with the pups. Scenery's kind of nice out there. Farmland. I'm driving slow. I don't know why. But I guess I'm being nice. I'm letting people out. 35 115 is that way. I'm going straight. Anyway. Pups are being cute. We're at Orono Crown Lands. This is like the first I've had a chance to get the camera out. I'm going to try and zoom out a little bit more if they don't yank too much. And then I should be able to get more in. I saw something run across the path, and it was bigger than a squirrel. That's for sure. Maybe a coyote or a fox. But it'll hear me coming, and then maybe not make trouble. So, anyway, not a beach today. Today, we are foresting. And it's fun, except I gotta say heel again because they're ripping my arm out of socket. Like, why? So, Venus is determined to sniff stuff. And there's the other two, determined to move forward and not wait for her to sniff stuff. There we go. This is as if a camera was going behind the three of them. They're just dying to explore everything. All right, I gotta figure out. I guess I go straight. I'm not sure though. There's 2 ways to go. So let's see which one I'm supposed to take. Huh. Okay, map says this way. I didn't think they were going to come the far hike, anybody. But today I'm not so lucky. Which means I've had to leave Indy on the leash pretty much. And Brutus and Venus. My arm's going to pay for it tomorrow. Anyway, back to beautiful scenery. And telling them not to pull. That's cool, eh? A bridge. And then there's people here. And I gotta figure out which one we're going down. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. It's really cool though. Look at that. You guys need to stay. Stay. No doing that. Man. Alright. There we go. There's that tunnel thing that shows on the website. And there's stairs to go up. Alright. So we're going to try and head past those people that are right on the path with the dog that I don't know how I'm going to get past. See? Sorry. I'm always having to fix the leashes. Makes it really, really hard on me. Venus always wants to get between the two, and then she's going to get hooked up by them. There, we're following those red things. And I did think I was going to be out here alone on the long loop, because most people aren't going the long way. And look at that. The river's pretty. I think the people have gotten far enough away. I hope. It's really nice in here, though. Anyway, I'm going to start walking with them and see if I can get Indy off at least. Look at that. There's like a waterfall thing. Let's see what 2 does. And it comes down there. Must be a beaver maybe trying to do something around here. Cool though.
I'll put my light in a bottle, something to guide your way. Even if you're too scared to follow, there's a light in each new day. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we find it. There's more than one way to go home. I know you're tired of this pattern. 1 up and 3 below. When you're chasing after what matters, your heart knows where to go.
How pretty is that? It's like somebody's backyard. The waterfall from the park. Pretty cool. Or, no, it's not a house. It's like a park, I guess. Works people type place. And forest. And blue skies. Spring has sprung. There we go. Pretty river. Little bridge over there. I let the people go ahead that were like
comes uprising,
bothering me.
sun stops it shining.
I'm gonna check out the bridge now and make sure those people get far enough ahead that I can let Indy off at least. Alright, we're on the bridge. Got a cute little bench in the shade. And there seems to be a purple trail up that way, which is kind of cool. I don't know, which one does my thingy tell me to take? I'm gonna check. Venus in the sparkly water. Brutus tangled up in his leash as per usual. And here we go. Now they're gonna get me tangled up. Uh-oh. There you go, you got one arm out. Wait a minute. And there's Venus. Being cute. Okay, come on. Uh-oh, you're stuck on the tree. All right, let's keep going. Here we go. Here we go. Me and my three amigos. Walking along the meandering river. It's actually really nice down here, other than that there were quite a few people. Maybe during the week when there's less people around, it'll be nicer. Yeah. But this is doggy level. This is people level. So we'll keep it down and show you how the dogs feel. I'd have to go really low to do Venus level. This isn't no Brutus though, what he sees. And we got some weed attached to Indy's leash part. There we go. Got it. Venus has managed to twist her leash around my legs again, because that's just what she does. And we're heading around a pretty corner with yellow flowers up ahead. And if it stays nice and quiet like this, maybe I'll let Rudy off. But after he took off the time at the beach at Darlington, I'm scared now to let him off the leash, because he just doesn't stay close enough. And how pretty is that? Like, the yellow's nice, eh? Makes you hopeful. Spring is here and life is good. Okay, let him off a little bit. He's exploring. So he's exploring. I'm gonna have to put him back on though. I'm so paranoid. Come on. So I gotta keep up with him. Come here. You stay close. You hear me? Come here. Hey. I mean it. You're not close enough. Okay. You're going back on the leash if you don't listen. And it's beautiful. Just don't know if there's people up ahead. I hate it. You stay close. Come on, Indy. Stay close, Brutus. There he goes in the waterfall. How cute is that? He's found himself a spot to play and have the zoomies. Come here. Brutus! You stay here. Stay close. Always close. There we go. don't see anyone. Thank freaking gosh. Gets to run a little bit. So we are, all four of us, heading down, and apparently we've only gone halfway. So we got quite a ways to go. Whew. Halfway. I got some cleaning up to do on my laptop again before I can even put this video out. Take all the stuff off. Out of downloads, I guess. And if it stays clear long enough, I might let Indy off again, because they're yanking me still. Like, frig, man. You guys. No, I don't see any people. Okay, come here. I'm gonna let you off, Indy. Check it out. Someone built a fort in here. How cool is that? Like a survival shelter. It's neat. It's neat. Wow, I like it. See inside. Then, actually well done. The roof and everything. Doormat. Let's see what's there. Nifty. Pretty cool stuff in here.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky. There's only one way out. Inside a prison.
I'm getting pretty tired though, so I think I'm going to put the camera away and just enjoy the rest of the walk in this beautiful spring day in Ontario. Clarington, to be exact, in the forest. I haven't forested for a while. Whoa, so far so fun. We're almost back.
Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Okay, there's a butterfly. Let's see if it flies away when we get close, because Brutus is gonna sniff it. It flew away. And we've come to the corner. We've been following the blue trail, which is like, I think, one of the longest. It's quite the trail. It's gorgeous in here though. I love it. Like that walk along the river was just gorgeous. And then forests with old trees. Yeah. I'm sure the dogs loved it too. And I'm pretty sure I'm going the right way, but I'm not 100% sure. Hold on. Going back to my map. There's a cool wall. Pretty nifty. I don't know why it's doing that. But there we go. Zoomed in. I really only wanted 2 times, but for some reason I jumped. Anyway, pretty nifty. Maybe 5 times into the water. There we go. A little sparkle. Venus is checking everything out. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Are you enjoying the walk at the park? I gotta look at the map now. All right, let's try it. See if it follows us. It's following me. I'm getting the food.
Sometimes it's hard when you're feeling low and you can't figure out which way to go. Oh, there's stars in my eyes, I can't see which way is right. But oh, if there's one thing that I know, it's only up from here, 'cause there's no one else that's me. I'm unbreakable, unstoppable. Me, I'm creative and I got a lot of things to share with everyone. Shining brighter than the sun. I'm me, unbreakable, unstoppable. Me, it's scary to start breaking down to shell, but I think everyone needs a little help. Trying to find that place, need to give myself some grace. Oh yeah, mistakes all I make. Me, I'm unbreakable, unstoppable. Me, I'm creative and I got a lot of things to share with everyone. Shining brighter than the sun. I'm me,
There.
unbreakable, unstoppable.
But next thing, you're supposed to dress and talk. There's me and the dogs. Doing our thing. We're almost back at the parking lot. Been a pretty good walk. Just a lot of people. There's a lot of people.
It's only up from
But it's pretty cool. Definitely worth the walk today. I think the dogs are super thirsty. But anyway, some practice with the gun again. Practice. Yeah, baby. So far, so good. I don't know if you're catching the dogs in this at all. But yeah. Yeah. If you don't have enough hands to do everything, right? Well, go into automatic mode. You can get yourself in the pudding, right? Hi! Hi, everyone. So the end of the week has come again. It's Monday morning, and I'm outside with the dogs at the fire pit. Just wanted to say thank you again for joining me for another week. The new week has begun. Yeah. I'm just about to take my mom out to get her nails done. It's her birthday tomorrow. But yeah, thank you so much for all the views. Hope you enjoyed some of the park stuff. As always, suggestions for places you'd like to see me go with the dogs are always open. Leave it in the comments below. And yeah, see you next week. And don't forget to be good to each other.